Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Jitterbit Harmony Cloud Platform to develop a simple and straightforward integration syncing candidate applicants from JazzHR to new contact records in Salesforce.com. As you can see here, we've got our 3 JazzHR candidate applicants, and if we refresh our contacts list, you can see that we have no contacts in the New This Week category here within Salesforce.com. So let's take a look at the Jitterbit project that drives this integration. Here we've got 2 basic flows that handle the JazzHR side of the equation. The first of which, using our HTTP GET connector, queries the JazzHR API, looking for applicants with a status of new and an apply date from 7/21. As you can see here, we've also passed in, per the requirements of their API, our API key, which provides us access to the JazzHR APIs. As you can see, we've actually variabilized this so that it's easy to change this value later on, and it can actually be modified from outside of the Jitterbit project, because it is in fact a Jitterbit project variable. Just as we've done that with this particular value, you could also do so with the status or apply date or any other parameter for any other API that you wish to connect to, which would allow you to dynamically determine the values that you want sent to that API request. So now once we get back a response from that query, depending on the number of applicants we receive, or for each applicant we receive back in our query, we're going to query the JazzHR API once more. In this case, hitting a slightly different endpoint, passing again dynamically the applicant ID from our prior operation in to get the additional detail about an individual applicant record, which is what we want in order to pass it into Salesforce. Lastly, we have a simple operation to upsert those account records to Salesforce as new contact records. So without any further ado, let's come back up here and kick this off manually. So if we come back and sync our contacts, I might have been a little early there. There we go, we've got our 3 records. And you can see here we've also included an external ID, in this case the applicant ID from JazzHR for easy referenceability back between both systems, and we've captured some other information from the applicant record within JazzHR. Now, I showed you running that operation manually, but what's more likely to be the case in a real-world scenario is that you'd want to schedule this operation. So here we could come in and create a new schedule. Provide the schedule a name, choose how often we'd like to occur and at what time. So let's have this occur every morning at 5:30 a.m. starting on the 22nd, and we can save that. We can go ahead and assign it. And now if we come back out to our workflow, you can see we have a scheduled icon here with some information as far as how often we expect for that execution to occur. So there you have it. In 3 easy steps, we were able to define a quick and simple integration between JazzHR and Salesforce.com, which pulls over new candidate applicants and records them as contacts in Salesforce. I hope this video has been informative, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us via our website or find us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching.